Hello everyone, this is Chuck Fan Productions here, and now I'm going to be doing a Blu-ray update for December 16th, 2017, and my first unboxing video, in which I went to Costco and I got one Blu-ray as an early Christmas gift. So here's the Blu-ray that I got is the 2017 Blu-ray of Despicable Me 3 Special Edition. Includes Blu-ray, DVD, and digital. And an all-new mini-movie. So here's the front, the side, the other side, and the back. #1 animated comedy for the year 2017 as of September 5th, 2017. Bonus features include mini-movie, The Secret Life of Carl, mini moments, deleted scene, character profiles, and more. Rated PG for action and rude humor, and the running time is 1 hour and 30 minutes. So here's the actual case. So without further ado, let's get started with my first unboxing video. Hold on a second. There we go. Hold on a second, let me get the promo materials out there real quick. So, here's the here's the Blu-ray disc and the DVD. Here's the ultraviolet here's the digital copy. And some promo materials for Illumination movies, the Universal Free movie, and the Mini Watch app. So there you go with this Blu-ray. So that is it for my Blu-ray update for December 16, 2017, and my first unboxing video. Peace out.